So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up static website hosting with S3. So we're going to click into S3. We're going to create a new bucket, but you can use an existing bucket for this. You need to set a unique bucket name. All the default settings are okay for this. Create bucket. Okay, so we can click into the bucket. We're going to upload a site file. So I just have a basic HTML file here. And we want to grant public read access to this file. And all the default permissions are fine. Let's click upload. Now that the file is uploaded, if we go to properties, we go to static website hosting, you can click use this bucket to host a website. So click that. We could set the home page or the index document. We could set the error document. Pin the file name that you just uploaded. So mine would be index.html. You could also set an error document. So click save. So there you go, it's live. So if you go to this endpoint, it should redirect to this file name, even though it's not going to be in the URL path. So if we click on this, yep, as you can see, it goes to my index.html file. Hello world, S3 is working. So that's really it. That's all you need to set up S3 to a static website. Thank you for watching.